Here we go. Mondays will always feel a little harder in the mornings to get out of bed, to put on something nice, to make yourself feel ready for your week. On days I know I'm gonna feel tired as fuck the next morning, I try to set out my outfit before I go to bed, give my last few remaining brain cells a bit of a break before getting to work. On days like these, I like to dress comfortably, but also fashionable enough to remind myself that I am a productive and functioning human adult. A clean white button-up can easily make an outfit look like you put in 10 times the amount of effort that you actually did. I got this one on Boxing Day a few years ago at Ardene for probably around like $8 Canadian, so that's like 50 cents US for comparison. I highly recommend getting your white button-ups a couple sizes too large. Not only does it create a cloud of flowy comfort, but it can also create a chic-ass silhouette when tucked into some dressy pants. These pants were a gift from a friend when she went to Hong Kong, so yeah, sustainable. I like Tuesdays. I feel like they're the most productive day of the week for me. Monday's already over, so it's like, okay, got over that hurdle, now I'm all warmed up and good to fucking chug along with my day. Tuesdays are for dressing cute and professional, maybe sacrificing a bit of comfort for the look, but it's worth it for me. I don't know, something about a waistline restricting my lung capacity makes me feel like I'm a boss bitch. Just me? Okay. This day was kind of gloomy when I woke up, so I threw on a turtleneck for a bit of a cozy factor and pulled it together with a micro houndstooth patterned pencil skirt. Both items were thrifted. Tie it together with some statement earrings that I got from Yes Style, and you got yourself one motivated office worker.
It will just come to a stop. Trying to fill the holes in our souls, trying to feel the music, let it take control.
Wednesday. Hump day, if you will. This day always feels like a stretch, but once you're through with it, it's like, alright, 2 days left, easy peasy, no shit on Wednesdays. This day was particularly chilly. This week was kind of the transition week from cold to warmer weather, so I wasn't surprised that one of these outfits would include a sweater of some sort, which I'm not mad about. I love sweaters, so comfy cozy, and can be so versatile in an ensemble. This sweater has been a big favorite over the past winter season. I thrifted it, but it's from Philosophy, which is kind of like a Nordstrom Rack range brand. It's so fucking soft, and the dimensionality of it, which doesn't show up well on the camera, it's just so deep, but velvety and just very good. Highly recommend. And then French tucked into a basic black wide leg from Uniqlo. Can't go wrong there. Made it to Thursday, y'all. Thursdays are fucking great because it's basically Friday. It's the Friday to Friday, which is pretty much the weekend already, so smooth sailing. Thursday, I channeled my inner Disney princess and pulled out a maxi skirt, which I know is a bit of a statement to try and pull off without looking like you belong to a cult, but hear me out. If you style it with something a little less modest, like I did with this crop tee, it all kind of evens out. I always try to balance out top and bottom, so if I wear a big or wide bottom, I go for a more form-fitting top, and vice versa. If my top is oversized, I tend to go for something that shows off my legs. That isn't Bible though. Double frumpy or double bodycon can still be like a hella good look. It's all about what feels right when you're dressing yourself. Friday really shouldn't count as a day of the week. Even when I know I have a full day of work ahead of me, if I wake up knowing it's fucking Friday, dude, feels like vacation. This day was fucking gorgeous. I wanted to feel flowy and light and free, let in the sun and the breeze, so I went with this like dress/shirt thing, and in my opinion, it just drapes so perfectly, makes me feel like I'm wearing like a fancy slip dress or something. put my hair up, mostly to get it out of the way, but also to feel a little extra fancy and show off my earrings. That's always like a huge conflict that I have with long hair. I had a pixie cut once upon a time, a couple of years ago, and I fucking loved how my earrings were always center stage with no hair in the way to hide them. So, yeah. That's all the looks. Hope you enjoyed this weird lookbook / outfits of the week / painting time-lapse thing. Let me know if you enjoyed the concept and I'll continue to make more. I kind of love how it merges my interest in outfit coordinating with my passion for art. So yeah. Thank you very, very much for watching all the way through, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. See y'all in a bit.
'Cause it's midnight and the lights are bright. We're searching for a little fun tonight.